Hi everybody, welcome to Cat's Crafts. Well, I wanted to share with you guys how I pressed fresh flowers within 2 minutes in the microwave. So what I done was I took these beautiful flowers, I put them on top of some notebook paper. I kind of pressed down with my hand on top of the flowers into my shape. I folded the notebook paper, and then I took 2 pieces of paper towel and folded the paper towel and put it on top. And so I placed it in the microwave, and I put 4 heavy plates on top of it. I put my microwave on 2 minutes, and this is how the flowers were, and this is how they came out. And that was the first set, and this is my second one that I done, and these actually came out perfect. Look, you can use these for your junk journals, for tags, pockets. So see, let me show you a before and an after. That's the before, and that's the after. Let me turn it around so you can see. That's the before. I just clipped the flowers, and this is after. And you know my favorite, I will put this on a tag, and my favorite is Mod Podge. So I'm going to do the rest, and I just wanted to share this video. Thanks for coming by my channel. Subscribe and like. I'm always doing different things. You never know. Have a good night. Bye.